Milwaukee Powersports for a, I forgot what they called it, I'll put it in the description, but it's like a coffee and motorcycle or something. It's at like 9 a.m. Apparently it's 9:43 a.m. So we're running a little late, but that's okay. Yeah. Pat's behind me, you can see her behind me. And we're doing our thing. So look at the weather. The weather is great up here. I might have to move up here. Just kidding. So we made it.
1500 stuff.
What color? Red?
Bluish one.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I had to see this thing first though. Look at this. Coffee. But look at this thing. That's a Goldwing. Oh, and it has the Vetter shield, like we talked about in the last video. And then, or the Vetter fairing. And then, yeah. Larry, you were riding this thing?
No, I would definitely do this color.
Then they do make a silver one that's got blue.
Look at this thing, that's cool. The color looks cool. Let's go see the other bikes though. That thing looks nice. So it's coffee and motorcycles. We did the motorcycles. Now we have to do the coffee. So if my card allows it. Oh. So there's Pat. I'm going to Harley Davidson in Oconomowoc for a Harley Davidson event. Why? More like why not? Following her wherever she's going.
Unfortunately, Pat could not go. She had to go home and go to work. So I decided to go by myself. But she lives along the way, so I rode with her. And she exited, and I kept going towards Oconomowoc. That Harley Davidson dealership is pretty good. You'll see it in a little bit.
Bitch.
So we're going to Harley Davidson event to see what they're all about, see what they got going on. Looks pretty cool so far. I guess. So we came to a different event because the other one is already done. Harley Davidson event. What a coincidence, right? You know. This place is pretty big. Maybe this is the service department, I don't know. They're teaching them how to ride motorcycles. That's kind of cool. Slow speed. Oh. So I didn't know this, but they're having a ride for a cop. The cop's child or something died, unfortunately, in a farming accident. So there's a big group out riding somewhere, and they're gonna come back, and they have a band, they have vendors, burgers, they do have alcohol, which is cool. So yeah, but yep. Let's go check out the inside first. Actually, let's go check this out first. Sorry. Look at that one, that's nice. Pretty cool stuff. Look at that color. That's an amazing color. It's kind of like the one I test rode in New York. Pretty much the exact same thing. Don't get me guessing over there. I might have to switch one day. Look at this place. That gold, burned copper, whatever you want to call it. Hello. Look at this stuff. It's all great. Might have to switch to a Harley. Just kidding. I never made a video of this, but when I was looking for a bigger bike, I found this bike. I don't know if it was this exact bike, but pretty much it was purplish blue and it had flames. It might be the same exact bike, I don't know, but whatever. Look at it though, looks cool. Maybe cut the flames and it'll be a great bike, but you know, for 13 grand, looks brand new.
You keep up to the lighters then.
You're good rider to back it out. Look at this thing. This is like the goal right here. 38 grand. 30,000 miles for 40 grand. Oh man. 2020. Look at that backrest though. CVO. Okay. Might have to try it out.
We've got a badass over here.
I must say that backrest is really nice. Might have to steal it. Look at that. It's like a double. That's nice. Look at this. I found my section. Clearance corner. So it's Harley Davidson, but not expensive. Probably is still going to be expensive, but whatever. Stuff's pretty nice. Just the bikes though. Look at this. This is a nice looking bike right here. It's a heavy one, I bet, but it looks cool. This was the bike that I rode in Americade, at Americade. That, if I ever switch, it'd be like that color. Look at this color. This is cool. It's not as cool, but it's still pretty cool. I don't know. I think if I invested in another bike, it'd have to be the one with the big tour pack, because why not? You gotta have a tour pack, right? If I'm gonna stay up here in Wisconsin, it has to have like 4x4 too, but whatever. Thanks. So they had a Texas option, so I had to get the Texas one. And because we're from Texas, you have to get whatever the Texas burger is. Is it good? I don't know. I'm hoping for the best. Banging burgers. Stay for a little while. They're about to start a band, or they have the band started already. The bikes are coming back, and yeah, being that we're in Wisconsin, you have to eat cheese curds, I guess. But so it looks like the group might be back finally. Let's see. That's a good looking bike right there. Look at that. Whole bunch of them. It's pretty cool stuff.
So I decided to stay until 3 p.m. I put my money in on some raffle over here to win a piggy bank shaped like a Harley Davidson gas tank, which was cool. You'll have to wait until the end of the video to see if I actually won the gas tank piggy bank. So stay tuned.
So we're still here at the Harley Davidson dealership waiting to win the raffle, okay? But look at them. They have a full band going. Restaurant or vendor, food truck, alcohol, more alcohol, whatever that is over there. But the weather's great up here still. You know, look at this. I don't see a cloud in the sky. Oh, never mind. There's some clouds over there, but it's great up here. Here in a couple weeks, not so great, but for now, it's great. So we're gonna stay here for a little bit. I'm trying to win this Harley Davidson gas tank bank. It's like a piggy bank, but gas tank. This thing right here, I'm trying to win that right there. And a lot of those are my tickets, so hoping for the best, but yeah.
And I'm on my way back home, back to Milwaukee. Look at that SLS R something. It's really nice. Maybe one day, but not today. Tomorrow I have a ride to a chocolate factory with my local chapter. Chapter G, woo woo. I think G, whatever. But yeah, I'm on my way back home now. And thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, my name's Adam. Here's your chance to like and subscribe. Maybe hit that little notification bell to be notified when I make a new video. Yeah, so see you down the road somewhere. Ride safe and ride often. Have fun, guys.